Logging on to abc15.com, I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. Expect record-breaking heat today. Another hot one across the state. Stronger breezes today, though, too. Good news is, after today, our temperatures will start trending back down. But high pressure is in control. It's sitting across the western U.S., and that is why we're seeing excessive heat alerts for parts of California, and that's why we're forecasting record heat here in the valley. We're also getting some strong winds wrapping around that area of high pressure. That's an impact to California. The dry conditions, also, of course, those hot temperatures combined with the strong winds, creating a heightened fire threat for that part of the country, and really that part of the state, Southern California. Here in our state, we've got some wildfire concerns too. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. But as you look at today's forecast highs, expect high temperatures in the mid to upper 90s from central to southwest Arizona, just shy of the triple digits out in Yuma and Gila Bend. 97 today for Phoenix. Highs in the mid 80s in Sedona, with highs in the 60s along the Mogollon Rim. Again, the hottest temperatures in the central and southwestern parts of our state, with those temperatures running well above the average for this time of year. 30-year average is 85. We're going to be more than 10 degrees above that across our valley cities, with those mid to upper 90s in the forecast. Phoenix forecast to hit 97 degrees. Again, that 30-year average is 85. Today's 97, though, could be record breaking. The record is 96, so it looks like today we're going to top that record. Now, yesterday we did also hit 97, but yesterday's record was higher. It was 100, so it was a little harder to get to. Today's record, again, 96 degrees. That was set back in 2014. It does look like we're going to surpass that. Again, though, the good news is after today, that temperature starts to trend down. So while tomorrow's record is also 96, tomorrow's forecast back in the low 90s. By Thursday, low 90s as well. Those mornings cooling off into the 60s. Sunny skies sticking around through the end of the week. In fact, through the next 7 days, I'm still not seeing any signs of rain, so it does look like we will finish out the month of October without a drop of rain. That hasn't happened since 1999, where we don't get any measurable rainfall through the month of October, but it looks like that's what's going to happen here this month. As we look at those winds across the state, again, you're going to feel some stronger breezes in the valley. Gusts here in Phoenix as high as 25 miles an hour. In northern Arizona, stronger gusts to 30 miles an hour, but the strongest winds and the area where there is a heightened wildfire threat is in the upper Colorado River Valley. We're talking spots like Lake Havasu, Bullhead City under a red flag warning until 6 o'clock here tonight. Winds in that area will come in out of the north between about 25 and 30 miles an hour sustained, but those gusts could peak as high as 40 miles an hour. So extremely important to use caution. Remember, wildfires can get started very quickly and can spread very quickly under those conditions. Overnight tonight, those low temperatures cool off into the mid-60s across the valley. As you look across the state, we should see those lows fall back into the 30s by tomorrow morning along the Mogollon Rim. That 7-day forecast will show you that temperatures start trending down after today. And as we start thinking about the weekend, we're looking at highs in the upper 80s to low 90s with sunny skies sticking around, it looks like, through early next week.